To compare Trust Wallet Face ID login versus alternatives, it is essential to understand the concept of biometric security and the various methods available for securing your digital assets. First, let's discuss what Trust Wallet Face ID login is. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. Face ID login is a biometric authentication method that uses facial recognition technology to verify the identity of the user. Now, let's compare Trust Wallet Face ID login with alternatives. Alternatives to Face ID include fingerprint scanning, password or PIN protection, and two-factor authentication. Fingerprint scanning uses a unique fingerprint to verify the user's identity, while password or PIN protection relies on a memorized sequence of characters or numbers. Two-factor authentication requires a combination of two different authentication methods, such as a password and a fingerprint scan. When comparing these alternatives, consider the level of security each provides. Face ID login offers a high level of security, as it is difficult to replicate a person's facial features. However, it may not be as secure as two-factor authentication, which requires multiple forms of verification. In terms of convenience, Face ID login is generally quick and easy to use, as it only requires the user to look at their device. Fingerprint scanning is also relatively convenient, but password or PIN protection may require more time and effort to enter the correct sequence of characters or numbers. To get the most out of your Trust Wallet security, consider the following best practices. Always enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, and use a unique and complex password or PIN. Keep your device and Trust Wallet software up to date, as updates often include security patches and improvements. In conclusion, comparing Trust Wallet Face ID login versus alternatives requires considering the level of security and convenience each method provides. By understanding the different biometric authentication methods available and following best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your digital assets.